Alright, it's 12th of November 2025, 2 p.m. exactly, and I am in the zone of darkness, zone of depression, and the only antidote and cure for that is a dip in one of the many lakes in Stockholm. Greetings from Långsjön and from Långsjöbadet, more specifically on this 12th of November, and we continue with the beach adventures. Today we have slightly warmer weather, 9 degrees, however windier and rainier, as we have now currently light rain. Here we have 3 separate jetties, and I am on the last one, as there are some fishermen on the first one, and there is even one more stable jetty at the actual sandy beach. That's mainly for children because it is very shallow, the water. And yes, you came to the right place if you want to see me going into the lake of Långsjön. So 9 degrees in the air, and I already measured the water in the lake. It's 8 degrees, same as yesterday on the different lake that I was, which is Långsjön in Stockholm. Yeah, light rain, and I have walked 5.5 kilometers to get here from my home. This is one of the 5 lakes, or 4 actually, that I have in the radius of around maximum 6 kilometers from my home. And yeah, quite depressing, I might say, but the dip itself is going to be the highlight of my day. Then I also need to realize that I need to walk all the way home as well. Hopefully the rain won't be that substantial. So yes, Kris is continuing with the beach adventures, and beach the number 152 is today. You can also walk around this lake Långsjön. It is very long, as the name states, which means in literal translation long lake, as it is basically the same word. And there are lots of houses around the lake, but there are a few places around the lake where there are public beach spots to enjoy a nice swim. And this was the lake where I was training for the triathlon, so I was swimming here a lot. And here by the sign of this we can see that it is around 2.5 meters of depth. With that said, I really need to get going because it is 9 degrees, but it is cold, I must admit. So it's time then to go in for a nice dip in the lake of Långsjön. So are you with me? Because it's time to get going. Amazing. Let's then get going. Slow and steady. It's not that cold, to be fair. I have been swimming and dipping in colder temperatures than this one. So, ready, set, and go! It's amazing. It's brilliant. It is refreshing and not that cold, to be fair. One of the fishermen is actually filming me because maybe he thinks I'm a bit crazy, but I am living for this moment of the day. So that is a wrap for this rainy beach adventure from middle of November. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.